Who will bell the cat? Once there was a mouse town in which a lot of mice used to stay. Once that mouse town was visited by a cat, and since the cat had visited, everyone in the town was very scared. They could not sleep at peace. So one day, all the mice wanted to have a meeting. They wanted to decide of how to get rid of the cat. One small mice suggested, how about tying a bell around the neck of the cat? That way, whenever the cat comes, the bell will ring and we all can escape. Everyone thought that it's a great idea and they all agreed to the small mouse. Till then, a wise and an old mice suddenly said, "But who will bell the cat?" Everyone was astonished. They started looking at each other. The wise and the old mice said to the small mice, "How about you tie the bell around the cat's neck because you gave this brilliant idea?" Everyone started looking at each other. The small mice said, "Oh no, I cannot tie the bell. I'm sorry." Everyone realized what the old and the wise mice was trying to say. The wise and the old mice said to the small mice, "Next time, before giving any idea, you should think over it." The moral of the story is, even the greatest ideas are nothing if they cannot be implemented.